I just came in and see this arc or whatever you wanna. What bird is this? Yeah, I think it's an arc. Catch what's his name? He catch one of them little squirrel. That's crazy. Sorry squirrel. Struggle is real. Never seen that before, so I definitely got a video that is tearing his ass up though. I feel bad for that squirrel. It's crazy. This is the second time seeing this bird, and it's right at my door, catching that squirrel. Wow. I don't want to scare him for him to run, so let me take my time and sit right here so I could watch. This is nature at its finest. Never see something like this before, so it's kind of really amazing just to even watch it. I ain't going no closer. I can't zoom up no more, so this is the best footage. That's crazy. Oh man, you're tearing that damn thing up. I'm not in your way, right?
No, no, it's okay, man. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm watching that bird eating that squirrel.
A dead squirrel?
He just got it.
What is that, a hawk?
Yeah, it's his second time seeing him. I seen him last week over there, and now I see him right here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Well, don't
Nature at its finest, right?
sit too close, man. You next.
No, hell no, I'm out. Yeah, 50, 50, my neighbor 50. Yeah, I'm not gonna video this long anyway. It's just get like 3 minutes and that's it. So that's is nature at its finest.